This is how I make my sugar lace, spreading it as thin as possible on my lace mat. Sugar lace is beautiful on cakes. It's not only delicious, but also edible. Cake artists used edible lace for decorative purposes. That's why it's always been a part of cake decorating. Sugar lace is a mixture of 5 ingredients, like tylose, icing sugar, corn syrup, cornstarch, and food coloring gel. All you have to do is to add it to boiling water. I can put my sugar lace on fondant, just brushing it with a little water and it will stay in place. You can store your sugar lace in between parchment papers and well covered. Try to avoid air exposure or it will dry them out and become brittle. You can pipe your buttercream on edible lace and fondant to cover all those imperfections like bumps, dark spots, excess buttercreams that goes out or showing through. Just making a clean look. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is always bake it with joy. And that's me.